Hello everyone, it's Melissa and I am here today to do something I've never done before. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and recently I just placed my first order with the new quarter and the new holiday catalog, and I kind of wanted to show you some of the products because they are super cute. I'm just going to adjust my lighting here, and yeah, I think you might like them. So so this is a combined order place with me and some girlfriends, but we did take advantage of a lot of the Stampin' Up! Ribbon that's in the clearance section of the online shop right now at stampinup.com. And this one's an Emerald Envy. This one is a rich raspberry. It's really pretty, like with the stitching and the detail. Oh, that one's gold, and this is an old olive, but really fun in the clearance section. There was this Joyous Noel 6x6 glitter paper, and this is fun. This is in the holiday catalog. Let's see. I got the new galvanized clips, which I'm anxious to put on some scrapbook layouts, so that'll be fun. Oh, it looks like my package is broke, but these are fun. These are going to slip right on, and you can do them both ways and tie, ribbon and whatnot through them. So that'll be nice because I use a ton of clips in my card making and whatnot. Here's some baker's twine. This is a crushed curry baker's twine, and this was in the clearance section in the online shop. This new corrugated, this is like a 3D corrugated embossing folder. I can't wait to play with that and distress it with some ink. So that'll be fun. I also purchased the detailed poinsettia thinlit dies, and this is a bundle right now. And it is bundled with this stamp set, Peaceful Poinsettia. And it's a rubber stamp, so it's a, cling mount. It's not photopolymer, but great sentiments for the holidays. But what I really liked was, excuse me, a lot of the fun. So there's the thinlits, and this one actually cuts corner out, and it fits in with it on the back side. Some of these dies, you can see tons of ideas on Pinterest and on the website when you're perusing the online catalog, but they fit right in this nook here. Super fun. I can't wait to play with those. And I'm all about backing up dies and all that fun stuff, so that'll be really great. I have one other poinsettia stamp set, but this is very different. And it'll help me practice my coloring because, I'm trying to get used to alcohol markers and whatnot, so this is fun. The next one I purchased is this Country Home. This was in the holiday catalog, and this has a lot of great sentiments just, for friends and for around the holidays. Doesn't have to be anything that, is fall related. You could do that whenever you wanted. Something else from the holiday catalog is this Sprig Punch, and this is a really nice size, you guys. This could be used for so many things. You could punch this in a brown, you could punch this in green. I mean, the sky's the limit, really. So this is going to be fun. It's going to be a nice addition to my projects. The other bundle I purchased was the Spooky Sweets, and it comes with this matching punch. And I make a lot of fun little Halloween things, treats and stuff for my kids, so that's going to be fun. And this one is a cling rubber mounted stamp, and then there's this punch. Sorry for the crinkle. And this one just, you flip it upside down and do your stamped image that way. So I'm really going to enjoy that. I actually got myself some refills for my Stampin' Up! Trigger. That is very new to me, but that I do love. Some more clearance ribbon. This one is actually a garden green. I thought it'd be perfect and festive for the holidays. This swirly frames, I got this because I see a lot of people making some fun backgrounds on layouts and projects with shapes and things, and so yeah, I thought it'd be fun. I was able to get the Dashing Along Designer Series paper, which was a special, so that was fun. And then, let's see, I've got a couple more items to share. One of them, this is from the holiday catalog, Feathers and Frost. a lot of great sentiments. Photopolymer, this one. And then there's the bouquet bunch framelits and the beautiful bouquet photopolymer. This is going to be fun to make your own. We can open this one and have a look at it. To make your own little bundles of flowers and things. I think that it's going to really be a nice touch to gift tags and all kinds of, you know, sorts of things. So, isn't this pretty? That's going to be fun, and it's going to be nice. So, looking forward to that. This is, and you know, most of my friends, you know, if we buy one thing, we share it. So that's kind of fun. Some of these really teeny tiny cute epoxy shapes. You guys, this is so tiny, but it's so adorable. It's going to make a great accent. And then these are some happy birthday thinlits that, you know, have been in the catalog for a little bit. This is some sheet music, perfect for the holidays when you're making cards and stuff like that. And then the one last thing, this bundle is, this is Make Every Day Bright. This is Making Christmas Bright. And then this is the matching punch, which, again, sorry for the crinkle, but I'm going to take it out so you can get a better look of it. So there's that, and it's, you know, essentially a light bulb, but the ideas online and the online catalog are amazing, but all kinds of fun. Now here you can do all kinds of other holidays and festivities, so that's fun. But this is going to be fun. My girlfriend ordered this, and yeah, I'm going to borrow it when she's here. I'm hosting a scrappy weekend in November, so that's going to be fun. So anyways, if you wanted to check any of these products out, you can go to stampinup.com, and if you don't already have a demonstrator, you can, you know, put my name in. And if you have any questions about any of this stuff, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.